In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask in Adobe Express. Masking is a simple way to place your image inside a shape or frame so it looks polished and purposeful. It's great for profile images, thumbnails, product spotlights, or anytime you want to draw attention to a specific part of a photo without permanently cutting anything away. Start by opening Adobe Express and adding an image to your design. You can bring it into a blank canvas or drop it into an existing layout. Either works. Choose a high-quality image if you can, because masks look best when the subject is sharp and well lit. If the image is larger than your canvas, that's okay. You'll reposition it during masking. Next, right-click the image on your canvas to open its context menu. This brings up quick controls targeted to that layer so you don't have to hunt through panels. You should see a crop option here. Select Crop to open the cropping and shape interface. This is where Adobe Express lets you trim the edges of your image and, importantly for today, apply a shape mask so your photo sits cleanly inside a circle, rounded rectangle, or other graphic shape. Once the crop panel is open, choose the mask effect you want. You'll see shape options that instantly preview on your image. Circles are a classic for avatars and team headshots. Rounded rectangles feel modern and work nicely in social posts. You might also explore more decorative shapes and frames to match your brand style. After you pick a shape, click and drag the image within the mask to position it. Center faces or key elements so they're not cut off by the edges. Use the on-canvas handles to resize or rotate the image relative to the shape until the composition feels balanced. Pay attention to spacing. Leaving a little breathing room between your subject and the edge of the mask keeps it from feeling cramped. If your background is busy, a solid shape can clean it up in one move. If you're layering multiple masked images, try consistent shapes for a cohesive look, or mix shapes intentionally to create hierarchy. The best part is that masking in Adobe Express is non-destructive. You can return to crop at any time, switch to a different shape, or reposition the photo without losing quality. When you're satisfied, simply continue designing. Your masked image behaves like any other element, ready for text overlays, backgrounds, and effects. And that's all there is to it. Open Adobe Express and add an image, right-click it, select Crop, and choose the mask effect that showcases your content beautifully.